Hello guys, welcome back to CAD-CAM. Today we are going to design this half-threaded bolt in SolidWorks. Help of 2D drawing. So let's create a design. And this part 2D drawing you will find on my blog, link in description box. So please check out. So let's begin. So we will start with front plane. Select the plane here, sketch. Then we will draw the sketch. So select the line and draw a sketch here. And then close the sketch. Okay, so then select the dimension. So the here we will keep 7.5 and this length make 4 mm. This one will make 3 mm and here will make 10 mm and this side keep 14 mm. Then this here will make 4 mm and here will make 5 and this side will keep 4 mm. So our drawing is fully defined. So just okay, then select a revolved boss base and select this line. Okay, so now our bolt body is ready. Now select this face, sketch and normal and select a center rectangle and draw one rectangle here like this. Okay, then dimension here to here with 3 mm. Okay, then select here extrude cut and we will cut up to 2 mm. Okay, and just select this face, chamfer 0.25, this side also 0.25 and here also 0.25. Okay, now select this face, chamfer 0.25, this side also 0.25. Okay, so now go to feature, select here thread and thread location, select this circle and this end condition, select this circle. Okay, so you can see our starting point is here. So select here offset and select here 3 mm and reverse direction. Okay, and here metric die 10 mm thread. Okay, now select this face and select here chamfer 0.50. Okay, let's define the material. So select here metal, steel and polished steel. So now you can see our bolt is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching, and this part 2D drawing you will find on my blog, link in description box. So please check out. Thanks.